It's a beautiful Sunday evening. The time is 3 p.m. and I'm here in St. Paul. I'm gonna drive to Burnsville to pick up little man. And there is a skate park I saw online in Burnsville, and I'm gonna take him over there. He likes a ball, or he likes dropping in the ball. And I think the images I saw online, there is a ball, and he's gonna love that. So I'm gonna drive to Burnsville from St. Paul. It's about 25 minutes drive on a weekend because it's not busy. So click the button below, subscribe, and continue watching our channel. All right, peace. All right, join me in my journey here, driving to Burnsville.
If I had the chance to love you again, I'd make your heart forget I was ever there.
The I-35 East South ramp.
It's very sunny, as you can see, and 71 right now. Mendota Heights here. highway. It goes all the way to Texas. Going south and going north all the way to Duluth.
SSI recipients. If you did not file a tax return last year and have children under 17, you must act now to get the $500 economic impact payment per child. If you do not act by May 5th, you must wait until next year to get those payments. Go to irs.gov and enter your information in the non-filer tool by May 5th. That's irs.gov. This message produced by Social Security at U.S. taxpayer expense.
Brookdale Health is open, helping patients with inquiries from auto crashes for over 37 years, founded by Dr. Kent Erickson, chiropractor. Experienced doctors of physical therapy and chiropractic provide treatment for auto crashes. There's a lot to deal with after an accident. Brookdale Health helps with insurance paperwork and referral to attorneys. Brookdale Health doctors pay special attention to cleaning and sanitation, following CDC guidelines to protect patients and staff. If you have pain, Brookdale Health is open. For more information, 763-561-4045. Brookdale Health. Nobody plays jazz like jazz. On weekends on 89.9 KMOJ, the People's Station.
Now I'm in Egan. There isn't anything here to see. Listening to jazz. I don't want it to put me to sleep. I'll find something else.
It's real Timmy right there. I'm gonna do everybody back. Yo, black youngster right now. It's Black Boy G. to the zoo, exit there, 77. That takes you to Minnesota Zoo. This music is all
In 2 miles, take exit 90 for County Road 11. In half a mile, take exit 90 for County Road 11.
My exit is coming up here. Half a mile.
Take exit 90. In a quarter mile, turn right onto County Road 11, signs for County Road 11 North. Turn right onto County Road 11, signs for County Road 11 North, then turn left onto East 134th Street.
Should be there in a few minutes now to pick little man up.
Turn left onto East 134th Street. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Parkwood Drive.
Quarter mile, turn left. It's Burnsville. It's a suburb, so they have nice houses here. Townhomes, actually.
Take the next left onto Parkwood Drive, then your destination will be on the left.
Turn left here. Destination will be on the left. Still waiting for it to say you have arrived.
Your destination is on the left.
Yep, I'm here. All right, peace out.